And as the deer kind of continues his trolling out there, just kind of meandering around, now he's wide out in an open field. And in my mind, I'm like, we got him. We've got a TC with a 300 Win Mag, and we're gonna crush this deer. It was a goat rope getting into position, but now it's on us. Okay, swing in, swing in, swing in. When you're ready. Wait. Take him. I think he's down. I think he's down. Boy, there was a lot of dirt that flew behind him, but I think he's down. I think you smoked him. I think you smoked him. It sounded like I think you smoked him. I think you smoked him. I mean, his looked like he was dropping down. Oh, I'm shaking. I didn't even shoot him, and I'm shaking. What a mess! Look at our setup. Oh, no. What a rollout!
I feel amazing. I absolutely can't say, you know, there is so much diversity in Texas and so many different things to see and do when it comes to hunting. Every whitetail hunter needs to spend time in Texas. It will make you a better hunter at home to hunt down here because you get to see 10 times the amount of deer because there's just so many deer down here. As a whitetail deer hunter, it's much more satisfying to me now to hunt and kill a mature whitetail. And I've learned to do that from coming here and experiencing Texas.
Congratulations,
Once you disappeared back here, thank you, man. It was all you. Oh, look at this buck. Are you kidding me?
God, old timer. Holy cow. Look at that guy.
Look at this buck. Oh, what a deer. Thank you, man. So awesome.
Well, that was another successful entry in the Yamaha Whitetail Diaries.